Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho Candice. In today's video, we are going to be looking at 3 survey websites that you can use to earn yourself some extra cash in 2022. I'm also going to be showing you guys some proof of payment from the withdrawals I made in this platform. But before that, if you are new to the channel or happen to be viewing this video for the first time, I share content on how to make money online. And if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, leaving a comment below, and giving this video a like. But of course, you need to watch until the end of the video to see if it deserves a like. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Today, we're going to be looking at a survey platform number one called Ysense. This is how their homepage looks like. As you can see right there, it says earn extra cash online. Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. Their sign up process is quite simple. As you can see, it says sign up for free and start earning. You simply put in your email address right there and your password, and then you click the join now button. After doing that, you come here and click the sign now button. After signing in, you are going to be directed to a page like this one. This is where you get your survey offers or your surveys, and then you click here to get your daily poll, or you can simply scroll down. That's where you can every day you can complete a daily poll with 0.01 cent in dollars. You can also come here and complete offers. As you can see, they've got a lot of offers: Peanut Lab, AdSense, AdGate, and all of that. They also have an affiliate program where you can invite your friends and family and get some commission. They've got a cash out. Do have a forum where you can basically talk about the experience you got in the platform and the various activities that you do. And you can come there and see what they have in store. On this page, we are shown their cash out offers, and you can see they've got Amazon gift cards starting from $5, Pioneer, PayPal, Skrill, and Zalando gift cards. So you've got a variety of options to choose from. And they also have an app that you can download into your Play Store on Android and also App Store on your iOS. If you want to join this platform, I've got the link down on my description box. You can simply go there and click on the link. Now, as you can see right here, I've got a payment from Ysense. As you can see right there, a payment sent from Ysense. It was $10 that was sent to me on the 29th of April. Right there, on the 29th of April, I was sent $10 from Ysense. That was the first payment I got from this particular platform. So I'm quickly going to show you the second payment that I got on the 30th of April. Yes, guys, here as you can see the date on the 30th of April, I got a payment of $10 also from Ysense. It was sent into my PayPal account and I received the cash right there. The second website that we're going to be looking at is this website right here called SuperPayMe. As you can see, it says make money online with the fastest paying survey site. Cash out instantly from as little as $1 using PayPal, crypto, Skrill, and N gift cards. Paid online surveys and offer for money. Get paid today. Claim your free bonus right here, and you can find the link down on the description box. So I'm quickly going to sign into my or log into my account just to show you guys some of the surveys that I prefer doing, and it might as well work for you. After logging in, you are going to be directed to a page like this one. This is where you get your paid surveys. This is where you get your offer walls. And when you need some support or you don't understand something within the platform, you simply come there and send them a message. This is their referral program. So you invite your friends and family and you get some commission. As you scroll down, these right here are some surveys that you can also look into. As you can see, they always have some competitions or ways in which you can earn yourself some extra cash. This here says post a TikTok video for $2. So you can post a TikTok video and earn yourself some $2 right there. As I've said that there are surveys that I prefer, so I'm quickly going to show you guys which type of surveys I prefer you guys. These are the survey options that you can choose from. As you see scrolling down, there are a lot of options for surveys that you can basically choose from and complete some surveys. Me personally, I prefer Revenue World, BitLab, and also Tap Research right here. These are the sites where I basically earn most of my money. It might work for you, it might not work for you, but there are a lot of options to choose from right here. So I'm quickly going to be showing you guys my proof of payment that I received from this platform. I'm going to show you the payment that I received on PayPal, even though you can see right here that I received a total of $19.09, and currently I've got $5.08, and I've got a couple of points there. But I'm quickly going to show you my proof of payment in PayPal. As you can see, the payment was received from SuperPayMe. It was sent by this company right here, 99 Ventures. And as you can see right there, it was sent on the 27th of March. That was my first ever payment from this particular platform, $1.47 from SuperPayMe. I received it on the 31st of March. As you can see right, it was $1.74. I got it from SuperPayMe on the 1st of April. As you can see right there, I got it on the 1st of April. It was sent to my account from SuperPayMe. $3.35. I got it on the 28th of April, as you can see right there. And it was also from SuperPayMe. As you can see, payment from SuperPayMe. It was sent by 99 Ventures. The other one was 98 cents, but probably I cashed out $1, but because of the transaction fees and all of that from SuperPayMe. And the last one is $3.89 on the 29th of May. As you can see right there, on the 29th of May, I got a payment from SuperPay. Now moving on to the last website, but before doing so, if you find value in the video that I just shared with you guys, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me grow and also helps let YouTube know that there is value in the videos that I share. With that being said, let's move on to the last one. The last website is called Survey Time. This is how the website looks like. As you can see right there, it says Meet Survey Time, a global paid survey solution, a survey. As you can see there, they've got a 4.5 star rating. It is a global website or platform. You simply get paid immediately $1, and their cash out options is Amazon, PayPal, Target, and Walmart. So you can simply click there to get started. Their sign up process is quite simple, but because I'm already a member, I'm quickly going to log into my account and just show you a few things that you can do on their platform. After signing up and signing into their platform, you are going to be directed to a page like this one. As you can see, it says welcome back. This is where you get your surveys. Unfortunately, with this website you don't get offers, but you can come here and simply join the affiliate program where you invite your friend and you really get some good commission right there. So I'm quickly going to be showing you guys my payments that I got from this platform. So I'm going to show you from here and also on my emails. My first payment was on the 28th of March. Yes, 28/03/2022. That was my first payment and it was 0.5 cents in dollars. And I've been getting payments ever since, as you can see on the 9th and all of that. I've been getting payments ever since, but these are not only the payments that I got. I also got payments from my affiliate program that I've been inviting people into the platform and I got paid some commission. So I'm quickly going to be showing you that these are only payments for surveys that I've made within the platform. As you can see, my last payment was on the 28th of May. Right here, I got my $1. That was an instant pay. So let me quickly show you some proof of payment from my emails. Yes, guys, this is the payment I got from SuperPayMe. As you can see right there, payment from SuperPayMe. It was sent into my account by this company here called OP Vision, and it was sent on the 3rd of March. That was my first payment for my affiliate program. It was sent to me, as you can see right there, Mpokendes. And I'm going to show you my second payment. And my second payment was quite impressive. As you can see, it was sent from SuperPayMe by this company right here, OP Vision. It says SuperPayMe Ambassador. That's because I'm under a affiliate program and I received $10 from SuperPayMe, as you can see right there. And it was sent to me on the 3rd of April. There is the date right here. It was sent to me on the 3rd of April. And my third payment was $5. As you can see right there, it was sent on the 3rd of May. It was sent from SuperPayMe Ambassador. It was sent by a company called OP Vision. It was sent to Mpokendes, as you can see right there. The last one that was sent into my account, it was $1 from SuperPayMe. It was sent by OP Vision. It was sent on the 1st of June. As you can see right there, it was sent on the 1st of June into my PayPal account. So yes, guys, these are the